Hey guys, today we are going to be getting the Marshals play Diamond. My cousin got all my critical kills for me, and now I only have to do 50 more pack-a-punch kills. And finally, we'll be done with the pistols and we can move on to something else. Because the Marshals is just a garbage gun. So yeah, I cannot wait.
I'll make good of that soon.
It's not even one.
How one? I'll see who I am.
What?
One, I'll see who I am.
We're able to stay up to like 2 at your house, 2 or 3. I'll play zombies. I'll grind zombies all night if you want. Or Warzone, or if you stay up.
I want to sneak some G Fuel.
Maybe when my mom and dad are asleep. But yeah, I'll grind zombies all night if you stay up. Oh, are you gonna get the new Battlefield?
No. Maybe.
Same, because like, it looks cool, but I don't know. Call of Duty is just a little bit better, because what is there to grind in Battlefield? Like, do you like grinding games, or just like, yeah, because there's nothing really to play except level
It
up.
feels so weird not using the Marshall.
What?
It feels so weird not using the Marshall.
Yeah, I freaking cannot wait. Just gotta get pack-a-punch, and then we're done. Which is going to be amazing. Are you hot? Because I'm really hot. Yeah. So yeah. This is gonna be like, I'll be so happy. I just don't want to do the pack punch machine because it's gonna take quadrillions of years. Okay, let's go.
Hold on, I gotta do something because I can use.
Yeah.
Oh, ADFOV looks so weird.
You should change it back.
I gotta get used to it. Alright, I'm back to used to it.
Yeah, you have enough to buy a door.
I bought a door.
Okay, I could probably buy the next one. Then I might have enough for the Aether reactor, but if not, you might have to buy it. Oh my gosh, it's 5,000.
You need 1,500?
Yeah, I'm used to what's it called, Sola. Okay, here I'm going to buy it. Shit, stupid. Oh my god, controller keeps disconnecting. So yeah guys, this might be a short video, Guys, I just want to get the Marshals done. Like, it might be like at least a 10-minute video instead of like 15 or 20. Make sure to check out my montage. It's insane. Sorta. I think I like it. So yeah, make sure to check that out. Yeah. Let's go get the other Aether reactors.
Wait, hold on. Can you protect me? I kind of want to try something.
Sure, let me get to you. I have one bullet. I can't protect you. Hold up, let me go buy this thing. Okay, what do you need? Or what do you need?
Ew, 60 FO.
I hate the sounds of freaking zombies. Too scary.
I don't have enough for the Aether reactor.
I'll get it.
One less zombie.
My god, stupid controller.
Always shoot from the hip.
Okay. So get the next one and then I just gotta pack a punch it. I just gotta pack a punch it once.
And I'll gather the horde.
I just gotta shoot them, shoot them, shoot them, then we're done. Oh, Mimic. Frick you, Mimic. No one likes you. I used to think Mimics were like the strongest thing ever. I used to be scared of them. Okay. Oh, and I can almost have enough. I almost have enough too. I'm sorry, but as soon as I get it, I have to quit. I can't use the Marshals anymore. They're like literally the worst thing to ever be added.
Here, but here, can I just get one horde and then try killing them? Oh wait,
Yeah.
no, I can do that even with you gone. That would be hard.
Okay, I'm going to get pack punched. So you want to get a horde and kill it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait. Here, I'll even help you. Okay, here's 2 zombies. Here's another one.
That's good enough.
Okay. This is gonna be amazing. Oh, okay. Oh my god. These guns. Frickin' finally finished the pistols. There's a mimic up here. 2 mimics. My god, bro. How close am I? Okay. I am like at least 15 away.
Here, for this one, you just gotta get a big horde and do them all.
Murder them. No Russian left. Modern Warfare 2. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh my god.
Shot out.
Here.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I got it! 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 This is amazing. Yes! Yes! Okay, this is the end of the video. Goodbye. I'm never using these guns again.